is dealing in boundaries. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That is a superb shot of a pretty good ball. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That's gone high in the air, and that's got to clear the boundary for 6. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? White ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. No ball called. There is a fielder at cover. That's a very good shot at this stage of the game. Baser introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That is a nice shot. Timed it beautifully for 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That is edged. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. There is a fielder at cover. Splendid shot, and it flies to the boundary for 4. Can you do it again? Edged, but it's trickled away for 4. Unlucky for the bowler. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. Off the line, he bowls to this field. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Hit on the body, it's a nasty delivery. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. Straight up in the air, and that's a six. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
Edge, and it's gone for four. Spinner into the action from the other end.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That's six. He picked up the length very early. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. And he helps himself to a six. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That's into the gap. Should look for two. Wonderful fielding. That will lift the spirits of the fielding side.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire. They would definitely have a score in their mind. Oh, shot, but only a single. Brilliant pickup and throw, and that looks out. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. That was such a waste of a wicket. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Brilliant from the bowler, and it looks like pacer introduced from the other end. Bowler will have to be extra careful of the line both to his field.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
No ball called by the umpire.
Here is a fielder at the extra cover.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one.
Edged, but it's trickled away for four. Unlucky for the bowler.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. Oh, that must have really hurt.
Last ball of the innings coming up. White ball signaled by the umpire. They should look at varying the pace a bit. It is getting too easy for the batsman.
In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike.
The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the chase.